A very good morning to you all. Honorable Chief Guest of the Day, respected Indian sir, video audience, and we feel proud and honored with him in this campus. Today is the auspicious day for us, and very nicely said by this day, importance of environment. Because without environment, it is meaningless for existence of life. And I hope you all are matured enough to understand what's the value of environment. Every day, I hope we celebrate Environment Day. Not only 5th June by planting trees or doing some environmental work, not showing yourself that today we are maintaining Environment Day. Every time we feel the importance of Environment Day in our life. And you know, trees are our best friend, nobody else. Our existence, our survival, our livelihoods, everything depends on environment. So, we take a oath on that day because